house, Pirates Past Noon. And where we are, we just want to drop you right in the middle of our story. So where we are is we have Jack and Annie, this brother-sister duo who loves to read and go on adventures. They have found themselves in the middle of Pirate Land after traveling through their magic treehouse. And they have come across this grouchy old pirate named Captain Bones, who has found himself without his parrot companion, which they're learning is a really terrible thing. And Jack and Annie, along with everyone else in the story, start to really understand why it is not a good thing and why every pirate needs a parrot. Enjoy.
Somebody should tell Captain Bones that there are more important things in the world than gold.
Some of us do try to tell him, but it seems ever since his parrot left him, Captain's been trying to fill his empty heart by stuffing his pockets full of gold.
Why did his parrot leave him?
He claimed she got seasick, couldn't handle life on the ship. But rumor is he didn't treat her right.
Never spoke soft to her. Always barking orders. Never gave her no compliments.
Well, why does he need a parrot anyway?
Every pirate needs a parrot. A canary won't do, nor a flamingo either.
Nor a purple cockatoo.
A penguin on his shoulder just wouldn't be correct. No, a pirate needs a parrot to maintain his self-respect.
Terrific job, kids. I guess, see, you'll have to come in the spring and see if he ends up getting a parrot. We want to thank all